1 bedroom, 1 bath unfurnished apartment located in a quiet and peaceful neighborhood. This well-maintained unit includes a refrigerator, access to shared on-site laundry, and all utilities, water, electric, and internet, are included for added convenience. Ideal for anyone seeking a comfortable and affordable living option. The home features tile flooring throughout, offering a clean look and easy maintenance. The bathroom has been newly updated, and the interior has fresh paint for a modern, move-in ready feel. Conveniently located near Barry University, as well as public transportation, major highways, shopping centers, and a variety of local restaurants, offering easy access to everything you need. One of the best rental values in Miami. Available immediately.